Hi, I'm Albie from Intex, and in today's video we'll be showing you how to replace the bead wheels on your finishing box. You can purchase a wheel kit like this one. In the kit you will receive 2 bolts, 2 wheels, 2 O-rings, 2 nylon bushes and 2 washers. To start the repair, prepare your wheels. So start by putting your O-ring on your wheel. Fit your nylon bush through and you'll see a notch on the bush that fits in the notch on the wheel. That's like so. You put the bolt through and then put your washer on. Do the same with the next one. They're now ready to replace. To do the repair you'll need a 3/8 socket or spanner, whatever you've got. Firstly undo the bolt, turning anti-clockwise. Then fit the new one, turning clockwise direction. Make sure it's tight, the wheel spins free, and then do the same on the other side, and then that's how you change the wheels on the Intex BigMudda box. If you do still have the old wheel and you wish to change to a bead wheel, we do have a kit which comprises of the bolt, the nut here, and an axle with bead wheels to replace your old box. Now to fit the new axle with wheels, get your bolt ready, fit it through your axle, with your washer on that end, spacer on this side, and have the wheel sticking up away from the box, and then put it through and then put the nut on. And simply tighten it up. Make sure it moves fine. That's it, that's how you change the axle. Now that we've replaced the wheels on this type of box, if you have an inside wheel box like this one, the process is very similar. Just undo the nut and the bolt and replace the whole thing as is.